name is Miss Karen, and I'm with the Aurora Public Library. Welcome to Make and Learn. Make and Learn is a series of games and activities focusing on early literacy skills. We're going to demonstrate how to make the project and then how you can play or use the activity at home. It's so important to use play with young children. They learn so much better when they are learning through play. It's a secret that not many people know. So this will be focusing on the play to learn. Today for Make It and Learn, we're going to be talking about counting. And you all know how important counting is for your child. They love to count. And the first thing that children learn is rote counting, where they're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you'll notice when they're very young, they tend to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're not doing one-to-one correspondence. That's the important skill that this activity will teach your child. So one-to-one correspondence is something that children don't naturally understand until they're a little bit older. And it can be reached between the ages of 4 to 7 years. Some kids will have it younger, some kids will have it older. But this is where they're actually understanding that 1 means this, 2 means this. If you would take these and group them all together and then do something like this and they would have to count them, they will have more difficulty understanding that. They would think that a group like this could almost be 1 or 2. When you spread them out, maybe that could be 10 or 12. So that's what one-to-one correspondence is understanding that. So just by changing the arrangement of something, the kids will understand that it's still the same number. And this activity will help them understand that. Your supplies, all you need is some cardstock, just regular cardstock. I use these little beads that they have in stores for floral design just because children love the feel of these. And it really helps with the counting if they can touch it and feel it when they're doing it. You're going to arrange the cards so that you have different arrangements. So for 3, you would have an arrangement where you have 3 that are like this, 3 that are together, 3 that are apart. And you can use a combination of different positions where you're gluing them down. Then, when you're playing the game, what you can do is you can have them figure out how many beads, I don't know what you want to call these, gems are on this card, count them. Count how many are on this card. They can start grouping them together. All of these have 3 on it, all of these have 5, but they look different. But it's also important for them to feel, because then they understand that even though the arrangement is different, there's still 5 cards on this, 5 beads on this one, and 5 beads on this one. It's a lot of fun for kids to play with these cards. Have fun making this and playing it together. I hope you had fun making this craft. And if you want, you can post pictures of your children and you making the craft or playing the craft. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Just put some questions in the comments. We always respond to comments. So we're looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.